Bonjour. I'm gonna get Laetitia ready for a Valentine date. It's very simple. She washed her hair last night and her hair is already looking good, but I wanna make it a little bit more interesting for a date for tonight. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna brush her hair all back, very gentle. You see, just brush it back. I'm going to add a little bit of the shiny weightless amplifier on dry hair. I like the texture like this. It's not like a wet look, but it gives like a nice, shiny, beautiful look, you see? No more than that. We don't want like too strong or too very natural look. Then I'm gonna add a few bobby pins like this, or clips, whatever you want to call it. You can find anything with flowers, anything you like. It's very easy to do, it's very simple, but it adds a nice touch to your look. You don't have to be expensive barrettes. You can find that any beauty supply, any place. Or you can find some very cute one with, like I said, with some flowers or anything you like for that night. Anything you feel about. You go all the way to the bottom of the hair like this. This is very nice. You see how simple it is? Stand up, Rani. What a great she looks. She's ready for a hot date.
Ready.
Happy Valentine.
Happy Valentine's.